Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start again exercise 9.1 from question number 8. So firstly student, I am writing the question on the board. Question number 8. Question number 8 is saying, student, fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater, smaller and equal sign. Student, there are many parts are given in this question. Here I am taking only 3 parts. So part first is student minus 5/7 box. There are 2/3 and I am taking part fifth student here 1/-3 box minus 1/4 and I am taking the last part student, that is 7 part 0 box minus 7/6. This is the question student, and remaining part student second, third, fourth and sixth. Second, third, fourth and sixth are homework for you. ये आपका homework है. You will do according to these 3 questions, these 3 parts. आप वो सारे क्वेश्चन करेंगे कॉपी में. So student, question is saying fill in the boxes with the correct symbol, greater, smaller and equal. का symbol आपको बॉक्स में fill up करना है. Means which rational number is greater, which is smaller, you need to compare first. So student, I am going to solve this question. Minus 5/7 part first is box 2/3. Student, you can fill directly the symbol in the box. Here student, minus 5/7 and 2/3 are 2 rational numbers and we need to compare which is greater and which is smaller. कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है मुझे बताना है. So student, this is a negative rational number, you know, minus sign is given, so it is a negative rational number and it is a positive rational number, and I have told you positive number is always greater than the negative. So this rational number is greater, so you will use this symbol, means mouth of the symbol will open to the greater number and tell to the smaller number, to the side of smaller number. Tell जो होगा smaller side के smaller number के side में होगा, and mouth of the symbol will be open to the side of greater number. So we use this symbol in the boxes. Directly you can fill the symbol in the box. And fifth part is student 1/-3 and minus 1/4. Student, both are negative rational number. In this question, firstly, I have told you before doing any work in rational numbers, firstly you will make the positive denominator of the rational number. पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर आप बनाएंगे सबसे पहले कोई भी वर्क आप करते हैं तो. सो 1/-3 you need to make -3 as positive, so you have to multiply by -1 in denominator. So you will multiply by -1 in numerator also, so that your value of the rational number is not changed. 1 into -1 upon -3 into -1, -1 upon 4, it is positive also already. So we get the -1 upon minus, not -3, only 3, this is positive, minus into minus is equal to positive, box -1 upon 4. Now student, compare here. This is equal to this rational number and this is equal to this rational number. If you are able to tell in these two rational numbers which is greater and which is smaller, it means you are able to tell in these rational numbers which is greater or which is smaller. So student, denominators are not same. So which is greater or which is smaller, multiply the denominator of the second rational numbers in the numerator of the first rational number, and denominator of the first rational number multiply in the numerator of the second rational number. So 4 into 1, that is -4 is student, 4 1 ja 4, -4, and 3 1 ja 3, -3. Now student, compare. This is the short trick for comparing. -4 is greater or -3 is greater. Student, I have told you, if two rational numbers, two negative rational numbers are given and you need to compare which is greater and which is smaller, so that rational number which looks the smaller, that will be greater, and that number which looks the greater, that will be smaller if both are negative. So student, it is looks like smaller, so it is greater, means -3 is greater and -4 is smaller. So -3 we get multiplying in this rational number, so this rational number is greater and this is smaller. So we fill the sign in my question like this. This is greater and this is smaller. This is greater and this is smaller. Student, like this, 0, question number 7, 0, box -7 upon 6. You can make denominator as 1, cross multiply denominator to numerator, 6 into 0, that is 0, and 1 7 is 7, -7. Student, this is -7 and this is 0. Which is greater? -7 or 0? Student, 0 is greater. -7 is smaller because this is the number line, this is 0 and here is -7. When we move to the left from 0, we get the smaller number to the before number. हम पहले वाले नंबर से छोटा नंबर पाते जाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट 0 है, देन -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -1 is smaller than 0. So 0 is greater than -7. So you will use this symbol. You will fill this symbol in the box. Means 0 is greater than -7 upon 6 because it is a negative and it is a positive. You know also 0 is neither negative nor positive. You know very well. So you will multiply like this. You will use this trick. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well, question number 8. So come to the next question. According to these part, you will solve these 4 parts also in your fair copy. So come to the next question, student. That is the question number 9. Question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? Which is greater in each of the following? In each of the following. Student, there are many parts are given in this question. I am taking only 2 part here. Third part is minus 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 3, minus 3. And I am taking the fifth part, that is, student, minus 3 whole 2 upon 7 and minus 3 whole 4 upon 5. So student, which is greater and which is smaller? I am going to solve this question. We have minus 3 upon 4 and 2 upon minus 3. So student, minus 3 upon 4, you will write as same. 2 upon minus 3, firstly you will make the positive denominator. So you have to multiply by minus 1 in numerator and denominator also, and you will get minus 3 upon 4 and minus 2 upon 3. Now student, which is greater? This is equal to minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon minus 3, and minus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 4. You know, equivalent. So student, which is greater and which is smaller? Firstly find in these two fraction. 3 3 is a 9, minus 9. Apply the same method. Multiply the denominator of the second fraction to the numerator of the first fraction, and multiply the denominator of the first fraction in the numerator of the second fraction. So 3 3 is a 9, that is minus 9, and 4 2 is a 8, that is minus 8. Now student, compare in 9 and 8, minus 9 and minus 8, which is greater? So both are negative, and I have told you already that number which looks smaller, that will be greater, and that number which looks the smaller, that looks the greater, that will be smaller. So minus 8 looks smaller than minus 9, but here you will write opposite, you will say opposite, that minus 8 is greater, and minus 9 is smaller. क्यों? क्योंकि ये मुझे लग रहा है कि छोटा है और ये लग रहा है बड़ा है, बट नेगेटिव नंबर जो होते हैं जितने छोटे होते हैं वो दूसरे नेगेटिव नंबर से उतने ही बड़े होते हैं, ऐसा है. मैंने आपको नंबर लाइन पर भी दिखाया है. 0, दिस इज -1, दिस इज -2. सो -1 इज ग्रेटर देन -2. जितना आप लेफ्ट मूव करेंगे वो पहले वाले नंबर से छोटे मिलते चले जाएंगे आपको. So minus 8 is small, minus 8 is greater, and minus 8 we get the multiplying in this fraction, so this fraction is greater and this is smaller. So now tell, this is your question, आपको इसमें बताना है. You need to tell in these two fractions which is greater and which is smaller. So we use the symbol between these two fractions. Minus 3 upon 4 is smaller than 2 upon minus 3. This is my answer. I hope student you have understood this question, this part. Now come to the second part, that is fifth part, student. This is the mixed fraction, you know, mixed है. So firstly make the improper. 7 3 जा 21, minus 21, and minus 21 में you need to add minus 21 plus 2, that is minus 19. Minus 19 upon 7, this is minus 19 upon 7, and this is 5 3 जा 15, 5 3 जा 15, minus 15 plus 4, minus 15 plus 4, that is minus 11, minus 11, minus 11. So this is minus 11 upon 5. Now this is equal to this fraction, this rational number, and this is equal to this rational number. Now compare these two rational numbers. 19 5 ja 95, that is minus 95, and 11 7 ja, that is minus 77. It means this is greater and this is smaller. This is greater and this is smaller. So you can say that minus 3 and 2 upon 7 is smaller than minus 3 and 4 upon 5. Like this, student. This is my answer. So I hope, student, you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question, student. That is the last question of this exercise, student. That is very, very most important question. You need to write the rational number in ascending or descending order. Perhaps in this question, you need to write ascending orders of the rational numbers. So firstly, I am writing the question, student, here. Question number 10. Question number 10. Write the following rational numbers. Following rational numbers in ascending order. In ascending order. There are 3 parts are given, student, in this question. I am taking whole part of this question because this is very, very most important. Part first is minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, and minus 1 upon 5. Part second is, student, 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 9, minus 4 upon 3. And third part is, student, given minus 3 upon 7, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4. Student, this question is very, very most important. So, with very carefully, try to understand this question. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. All are rational numbers, and you need to write it in ascending order. Ascending order means, student, smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. Like example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 when you will write. So smallest to greatest. Student, I am going to solve part first. We have minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. So, student, ascending order. Ascending order क्या होगा इसका, इन सबका? Student, in all these 3 rational numbers, you are saying that denominators are same. Denominators are same. So if the denominators are same, then we compare only numerator. We compare only numerator, which is greater and which is smaller. So student, this is minus 3, this is minus 2, this is minus 1. So which is smaller? Which is smaller? Because in ascending order we arrange the numbers in smallest to greatest. So -3 is smallest, then -2 and -1. -2 और -1 से सबसे छोटा कौन है? -3 है. So you will write -3/5. -3/5. Then -2 and -1, which is smallest? -2. -2 -2/5, and then last -1/5. Means this rational number is already given in the ascending order. ये पहले से ही ascending order में आपको दिया हुआ है. ascending order में already ये arrange है. So student, this is my answer. Very easy question. I am taking the first part 3. After this we solve the part 2. Part 3 student. Third is we have -3/7 -3/2 -3/4. Student, in this case you are seeing that numerators are same and denominators are different. In this case denominators are same, numerators are different. If denominators are same, then you will compare only numerator, and if the numerators are same, you will compare the denominator. But you will write opposite. Student, if numerators are same, then that rational number which denominators are smaller, looks smaller, that will be greater. And that rational numbers which denominators are greater, that will be smaller. Opposite way में आप बोलेंगे. If the numerators are same, if the numerators are equal, न्यूमिनेटर सभी के अगर इक्वल हैं, तो जिस रेशनल नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा वो बड़ा होगा, और जिसका बड़ा होगा वो छोटा होगा. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज स्मॉलर देन 7 and 4, so this is greater, and this is smaller, this is smaller. 7 is greater, so it is smaller, then 4 is smaller than 7, so it is greater. We need to write smallest to greatest, so ascending order क्या होगा? सबसे छोटा कौन है? वी नीड टू राइट द स्मॉलेस्ट रेशनल नंबर फर्स्ट. सो जो सबसे बड़ा होगा वो सबसे छोटा होगा, जिसका डिनोमिनेटर सबसे बड़ा होगा वो सबसे छोटा होगा. इट मींस -3/7 इज स्मॉलेस्ट देन दीज टू रेशनल नंबर्स. देन -3/4 ये छोटा है. आफ्टर दिस इज ग्रेटेस्ट, सो वी राइट एट द लास्ट -3/2. लाइक दिस स्टूडेंट, very easy. I hope you have understood this question. So come to the second part, student. In this case you are seeing that numerator and denominator both are different. दोनों अलग अलग है, कोई भी सेम नहीं है. ना तो डिनोमिनेटर सभी के सेम है, ना ही तो न्यूमरेटर सेम है. So in this condition you have to take LCM of the denominator. डिनोमिनेटर का LCM आपको लेना पड़ेगा. So I am taking the LCM here, student. 3, 9 and 3. 3 बन जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, that is 3. 3, 9. LCM is, you can take LCM, I know. 9. 9 is LCM. So firstly we draw a line below all these rational numbers and we write the LCM below this division bar. And we divide 9 by the denominator of the first rational number. 3 3s are 9, and by the quotient we multiply in numerator. 3 1s are 3. 3 into 1. Finish. After this, 9 divided by 9. 9 1s are 9. Quotient is 1. So we multiply in numerator by the quotient, means minus 2 into 1. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 minus 4 into 3. We get 3 1s are 3 minus 2 minus 12. Minus 3 upon 9 has comes on the place of 1 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 9 has come on the place of minus 2 upon 9. Minus 12 upon 9 has come on the place of minus 4 upon 3. All are equivalent. सभी equivalent है. So student, firstly tell me in these numbers which is greater and which is smaller. If you need to write these rational numbers, these numbers in ascending order, then you will write छोटा सबसे कौन है? This is positive. These two numbers are negative. So these two are smaller than 3, but both are negative. In these two, which is smaller? Which is smaller? That negative numbers which looks the greater, that will be smaller. Means minus 12 is smaller. So we write first minus 12 upon 9, then minus 2 upon 9, then 3 upon 9, and minus 12 upon 9 has come on the place of minus 4 upon 3. So this is my question, student. We need to write this question in ascending order, not this, but we compare these fraction to these fraction, these rational numbers to these rational numbers. Sorry, student. So minus 12 upon 9 has come on the place of minus 4 upon 3. So firstly, therefore, so minus 4 upon 3 is smaller than minus 2 upon 3. Sorry, student. Minus 2 upon 9 has come on the place of minus 2 upon 9. Minus 2 upon 9. Minus 2 upon 9. And at the last we will write 3 upon 9. This is ascending order of the rational numbers, of these rational numbers. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. This is the very most important question for the view of your exam. And student, today I have finished the exercise 9.1 all questions. So in my next video, I will start your new exercise, that is exercise 9.2. So thank you student, thank you very much.